The reason you need to bring your car to Harris Auto Repair is our expertise in alignment and the state-of-the-art equipment that we have to repair the car properly. If you had your car aligned after an accident and it still doesn't drive properly, then you need to come to Harris Auto Repair and have it checked to verify that it was aligned correctly. We work for body shops. I can make your Honda drive just like a brand new Honda. You should have an alignment done each time you replace your tires. That is ground zero, and then you should have your car aligned every 12 to 15,000 miles. So that's normally once a year. Hey, I'm Brian Harris. Thanks so much for watching. We're located at 811 East 23rd Street, Lawrence, Kansas.